Bhansali has made great women characters, incredible women characters.
Yeah.
Now I should say that he's also a genius at making male characters. मैं बुर्खा पहन के मैं चला गया अंदर.
No, you did not.
I swear to God.
You did that.
Yeah. तुम खुद भी नहीं पहन लेती.
I do wear it sometimes, but
You should wear ripped sarees.
नहीं.
You should wear ripped sarees.
नहीं,
That should be the new in thing.
Instructed that
मैं
I
आपको
can't.
देता हूँ. All right, there we go. एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए. जलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए.
Hi. Hi guys, so I'm here for another date. Normal लड़कों को तो काफी date कर लिया. This time I'm going out on a date with somebody really special and I've reached her earlier. So this time the guy is known to be the internet's most loved national crush of India. Yeah, you've got it right. It's Taha. Or should I say Tajdar? पता नहीं. मतलब देख लिया ताजदार को आलमज़ेब को इतना रोमांस करते हुए. अब आई थिंक इट्स टाइम कि थोड़ा सा मैं भी रोमांस करके देख लूं कि हाउ इज ही ऑन अ रियल डेट. Hi.
How are you?
Oh my God. You're
Oh, you-
here. I've got you something too.
You got me flowers? You got
Yes.
me. You got me better flowers. I should be gifting you this.
Hi, Taha.
Hello.
Or should I say Tajdar?
Oh man, you can call me anything. Tajdar become my middle name now. You can call me that too.
I was a little blown away, yaar.
Why were you blown
I
away?
mean, Tajdar is one of those fictional characters that you want to fall in love with, you know?
Man, Bhansali makes such incredible characters, to be very honest. And you know, when I was playing the character, I always felt like he was so stern, almost. Like, you know, he felt like a guy who was, of course, he was very principled. I felt he was a kind of stern kind of character. And then I realized that girls actually kind of love this kind of a
Yeah,
man.
they're like kind of in love with him.
Yeah, and now I realize because Bhansali has made great women characters, incredible women characters.
Yeah.
Now I should say that he's also a genius at making male characters. He knows exactly what women want.
Clearly.
You know? Yeah, clearly he does. and I wish I could learn more from him and convert myself into that kind of a character. You know? I'll tell you one of the जब मैं बचपन में ना I fell in love with this one girl. And I wasn't allowed to go to her school.
Okay.
All right, because of parental regulation and all that.
Of course.
All right.
How old were you? Hold on, I need to know the
I think about
details.
16.
So like 11th, 12th.
Yeah. About 11th
Oh.
grade, right? Or her parents were, I don't want to name anything, but they were not from India. Let's just say that.
Okay.
Okay, and they had very strict rules. And so you know what I did? मैं बुर्खा पहन के मैं चला गया अंदर.
No, you did
I
not.
swear to God.
You did that.
Yeah. मैं बुर्का पहन के मैं अंदर चला गया. Okay, and stupid me. Alright, मैंने अपने खुद के सैंडल्स पहन लिए. I didn't wear like a stilettos or something like that, right? I wore my own bloody dirty chappals. I went to the cafe also.
But did she like you?
Yeah, of course we were in love. Alright, and that's why. And then yeah, I think there was a small kiss also. On the way out, and then it was a very tall, he was like one of the head of the schools, right? He wasn't teaching us anything. He walked behind me, and the guy, so smart, he said my name.
And you turned around.
And I turned around.
Oh my God.
Turn around.
That is classic. You
Right?
never do that.
Yeah, you never do that. And I'm like, I'm like, he walked up to me and he's like, I know it's you, but I'm not going to do anything. All right? Just don't do this again. All right? And
अगली बार माफ नहीं कर पाएंगे.
yeah, we are, and he's like, because I'm giving you a last warning. I was dying inside. Okay, तो मैं जैसे मैं गेट से बाहर निकला, he stopped at the gate. भागा ना मैं इतने जोर से भाई, इतने जोर से मैं भागा. I swear to God, that's the kind of crazy ass bloody romantic or a dumbass I would say that I am. But it was really just crazy. That's the kind of romance.
But did you
that
get
I
caught
have.
for it?
Yes.
Punishment क्या मिली थी वो बताओ पहले.
नहीं, punishment तो ये थी कि उसके पेरेंट्स मेरे घर पहुंच गए थे. हाँ, और फिर मम्मी को बोला देखो we are warning your son. We don't like this, and if he does it the next time, then we will have to get like the cops involved and all that.
What?
और दुबई में तो काफी strict था ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप you can date or you can hold hands and things like that. It was very strict. और हम लोग शारजा में थे, so शारजा is even more strict.
But wow, you were quite the rebel. हीरा मंडी में भी और यहाँ पे भी.
हीरा मंडी में तो मैं अच्छे causes के लिए मैं rebel कर रहा था, प्यार के लिए मैं rebel कर रहा था.
And you threw Alamzeeb under the bus, huh? Please.
क्यों?
I'm pissed off with Tajdar for doing that. But I do understand why he did that.
I had to choose the country or the love of my life. I know it's going to be a very hard decision for many years for my country. I think it's just you have to do it.
You have to do it. Yeah, I agree with that. So, as a Fauji brat,
You are a Fauji brat?
Yeah, I'm a Fauji brat. So my dad was in the Indian Navy. He retired in 2017.
So then you have a lot of discipline.
Yeah, I think, you know, when I started working with Hortifly, it's an interesting story. For the longest time, I wouldn't wear ripped jeans to work.
Why?
Because maintaining the decorum. अब तो मैं shorts पहन के चली जाती हूँ. Like now my mother like, why are you wearing pajamas and going to office? And I'm like, comfort.
No, dude, I have a similar kind of story. क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे आने से पहले मैंने 3-4 साल मैंने business किया था दुबई में. तो वहाँ पर हमेशा every day I would get up whatever and then I would wear a suit and I would go for work. But जब मैं auditions के लिए I thought it was a professional scenario. तो मैं suit boot पहन के जाता था auditions के लिए.
No,
I swear to God.
मुंबई की गर्मी में.
Yeah, with a full brief like a suitcase in my hand.
Why were you carrying a suitcase?
In case they wanted some other changes. That's what I thought.
Coming back to the Bollywood romancing, I have something to tell you.
हाँ बोलो.
I love wearing. हमारी channel head आसमा यहाँ पे है. She's wearing a sari and she's looking stunning. I always tell her.
My mom's a big fan of saris.
I love saris myself. I see her in sari and I'm like, office आते मैं distract हो जाती हूँ.
तुम खुद भी नहीं पहन लेती?
I do wear it sometimes, but
you should wear ripped saris.
नहीं.
You should wear ripped saris.
नहीं,
that should be the new in thing. Wearing ripped saris all over. क्या लेकर आ रहे हैं भैया?
ला रहे हैं कुछ interesting.
This seems interesting.
Yes.
How come you thought of making sushi?
Yeah, कुछ activity करनी थी, so I was like, it's a good way to bond also, get to know people.
Yeah, no, I think it's great.
Interesting हो जाता है.
What is this supposed to be?
I don't know what is that.
अच्छा तो बताइए क्या करना पड़ता है पहले? आपने
है
कभी किया ये? You never made sushi?
Never.
मैंने कभी नहीं बनाया.
I heard it's very tough also.
It's very tough पर हमारे पास यहाँ पे गुरु है.
Experts हैं.
सर कैसे करें इसको 1/2? करिए आप.
अभी ये प्रो लेवल है.
ये चीटिंग कर रहा है.
ये हाँ ये चीटिंग
है बॉस. ये चीटिंग है.
हमें तो लेवल अप करके दिया था.
हाँ अभी.
अच्छा वैसे tell me something.
हाँ.
You currently like Diet Sabya's favorite and you're like the national crush and all. Are you going out on dates?
Dude, मैं अपने आप के साथ मैं कहीं बाहर नहीं जा पा रहा हूँ. इतना टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे. डेट बहुत दूर की बात है. And trust me, that's I've been waiting. बहुत साल मैंने इंतजार किया कि मैं इतना बिजी बनूँ कि मेरा दिमाग और कहीं भटके नहीं. Especially on all.
रोमांस करना मतलब भटकना नहीं होता है. How mean is that?
No. But I feel that right now I need to also give the time to the girl. ना? आप वक्त नहीं दे पाओगे, then what's the point? It's not just about intimacy and then.
तो मेरे साथ क्यों डेट पे आए फिर?
Because I wanted to make sushi. मैं सोचा कि
सुशी के लिए आए हो, मेरे लिए नहीं आए. हाउ मीन यार, बस मैं तो डिसअपॉइंट हो गई. हार्ट ब्रेक हो रहा है मेरा गाइस. बंद करो शूट.
नहीं. Alright, here it comes.
And इन्होंने कितना सुंदर बना के दिया उसे, जो हमने डिस्ट्रक्शन कॉज किया था.
ऊपर से कुछ ड्रेसिंग्स.
But in the meanwhile,
yes.
A little avocado for you.
A little avocado. My favorite. See, the bouquet should have been made of this.
Ugly one. Second date. Done.
Bouquet of
avocados.
There we
Only
go.
avocado.
I'm going to add this to this right there.
Beautiful bouquet.
मैं आपको देता हूँ. Alright. There we go.
Now since we've gotten very comfortable, अब मैं थोड़ा सा intimate हो जाऊँगी.
Yeah.
I want to know what is your love language? Like, you know, for me, it's personally like acts of service. So like, I will wake up early, I'll maybe like cook you a good like English breakfast or something.
See, I told you cook. Okay.
I like it. I like that.
That's
That's my love language sort of thing.
Act of service is your love language. What are the other 4? I think there's 5 love languages, no? What are the other 5?
What others?
I know there's one which is touch.
Yeah, then there's...
I'm touch.
Since you're talking about being spontaneous, are you somebody who travels and you're like very chalte plan kar lenge? Ki, you know, you just like pack your bags and suddenly one day be like, okay, we're going here.
I was forced one time to go to Himachal. The same weekend, it was New Year's, I went and I cracked my knee. And with that, I tied up because I didn't want to let her down. And I went to Himachal, and luckily the cold helped me kind of cure it for some reason. But I was
so
like,
this was the girlfriend.
Yeah. But that's the, but the thing is that I don't mind doing it. But it's just that at that point of time, I didn't have anything in life. Nothing was going for me.
But we all deserve a vacation, yeah.
I don't believe that. I believe that, unless you reach that goal, you don't deserve anything. I can't do vacations, bro. Like, even on vacations, man.
You're like looking for work?
Not work. Like, for me, this is not work. I'm so blessed कि हम लोग, I don't know, but I think this is your passion as well that you're here. I'm a very passionate guy. Whether it be in love, when I fall in love, I'm very, very passionate. I will put my soul in for that girl. I will make that girl's dreams my dreams. I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler by heart, right? और उसको अगर पहुंचना है कहीं पे, you need connection, you need networking, you need to hustle, right?
So you're somebody who will like support the girl.
Yeah. You want this? You want to go there? Huh? What do you need? Who do you need? And I'm like, okay, fine. You know what?
Wow.
Let me do this. It doesn't benefit me at all. Like,
doesn't
benefit me.
But it helps her.
But it helps her.
It helps her achieve her goals.
So,
and that's nice. Do you think these new dating trends have become like this whole...
भाई मैंने समझता ये सब dating trends. It's so
you're like an old school romance kind of guy.
New terms I'm learning nowadays. I mean, I learned that there's something called situationship. I've never... What? What is situationship? Then
you still don't know what it is?
No, I mean, I guess I'm not 100% clear, to be very honest. But I guess it's a situation. This is just happening, and
it's like a relationship, but not a relationship. So it's a situationship.
Yeah, it's just so silly.
Like what are your thoughts on marriage and live-in? If you were to pick between the two.
मैं live-in नहीं कर सकता मैं.
सीधा मंडप.
Yeah, no. What? Marriage also is a very long-term thing for me. Like I think I'm a more arranged marriage kind of a person.
Really?
Yeah. I think that.
So if you love somebody, what are you going to do?
वो love नहीं है ना यार आजकल. वो मेरे दिल से निकल गया है.
So you're like that.
Because I'm telling you.
Done with love kind of guy.
No, it's not done with it. Like I was done with it when I was 17, and then I found this. You can't force yourself to fall in love. It just happens.
Yeah.
And last time it just happened. Like I didn't expect it. It wasn't like देखते हैं 3-4 महीने बाद कैसा है फिर मैं प्यार ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब है तो है. And for me, I'm like that kind of a person. For me, love just happens. Love finds you.
It finds you, yeah.
Right, and it just ignites a fire within you.
What? Okay, if you fall in love with me, then what are you going to do? Arrange marriage?
Yeah, then of course. Because marriage is, for me, it's very simple. Marriage is not between two people; it's between two families.
So you would still decide to like
bring it to my family.
And if they say no, then you will walk away.
Luckily, my family is not like that. But if there's a certain
what if
reason,
my family says no?
Then we'll have to walk away.
Okay. So it was a lovely date.
I had great sushi.
We had a fun time making it, no?
Thank you. And I got an avocado by myself. Thank you so much.
So I'm going to get you avocado bouquet the next time I meet you. And one question. How do you think we should end the date?
I mean, normally how I end my first date is that I drop them home. Normally I can drop you home.
No. How about I want to hear your Hira Mandi wala that Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye, which is also my ringtone, by the way.
It's your ringtone?
Yeah.
That's the first time I ever heard that. Ek Baar Dekh Lijiye, दीवाना बना दीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए.
Hi.
I think Janvi is a very sweet girl, and Janvi has made some incredible sushi. I think having a great conversation, having a sense of humor is very important in any sort of relationship or any sort of date. So I think I got that with her. Plus, it was a very free-flowing conversation. Got to learn lots of things about her. So yeah, I think it was overall a fantastic date, and I hope next time on the second date we get an avocado bouquet and take it ahead.
It was great. We had a lot of fun time and we did the sushi making, which was like a great bonding activity for us. So I think it was fab. I'm not sure if he's the one for me, but I think that's something I definitely want to explore. So I am 100% going on a second date with him, and I definitely plan to get him like a avocado bouquet.